Today, I'm going to walk you through the Lilt Contentful Connector, which allows you to quickly and easily send your content for localization right from a Contentful entry. In order to set up your Contentful connector, you'll need to work with your Lilt account team, providing them with your necessary Contentful keys and ensuring that you have multiple locales added. You'll also want to enable the Lilt sidebar within your Contentful instance. Once your connector is set up, sending content for localization couldn't be easier. So let's say on our French site, we've noticed that there's a block of untranslated text. From the content page in Contentful, we're going to click the piece of content that we'd like to send for localization. So in this case, our page header. In the Lilt sidebar, you can see information about the status of localized content, including if it has already been sent for localization, when it was sent for localization, and which target languages it's been localized into. So once the content in the source language is ready to be translated, we can click Send for Localization in the sidebar, choose our target language, in this case French, and then click Submit. If you use Contentful's launch plugin, you can also send all of your entries in a release for translation in a single batch. So as you can see, the status has now updated to ready to start. So this means that our content is now being sent to Lilt to be translated by Lilt linguists powered by adaptive neural machine translation technology. Once the translation is complete, the connector will import the translated content back into Contentful. You can see that this specific piece of content has now been updated by Lilt. After clicking on the content, you can see that the status for localization in the sidebar has been updated to Done for French. Once we review that all of the translated content has populated, we can click Publish. Now we can go to our website to check that the translated content has been successfully published. And just like that, Lilt allows you to send, receive, and publish localized web content, tracking progress along the way without ever leaving Contentful.